Hey guys, Adam here, back at you with another video. I'm at Rifle Falls State Park, Colorado. I haven't been here in about close to 20 years, and I think this is where I did one of my first videos with a Sony Handycam, kind of just starting out doing video. So I figured, let's update the video, kind of make it a whole full circle thing. So we've got some really cool waterfalls to look at and some limestone caves. And yeah, let's go check this out. Rifle Falls State Park, see what's going on. Hey guys, we're at the part of the adventure where we're going to go into some limestone caverns here. What awaits us, we don't know, but we're bringing you along. So let's get to it. Into the caves we go. Talk about challenging video filming right here, guys. This ain't easy trying to climb through this and film at the same time. But I'm going to give it a shot. Up to my right, the caves continue. So that's where we're going to head up. It's hard to film and carry a lantern. But you got to do what you got to do for the shot, right guys? All right. To the next cavern we go. All right, show you guys what's going on in here. Let's take a look. Pretty dark. It's straight above me. It's like a chimney going up there, really high up. I don't know if the camera picked that up or not, but we're gonna show it to you. I had to climb up that and through there to get up here. So I'm gonna make my way back down and hopefully not slip. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I should have brought mine. Oh, yeah, I'm at the hard part. All right. Cavern 1 explored, heading back out. Like an old miner. Looking for Curly's gold. We did that at Geronimo's cave. All right, cave number 1 explored.